Planning a new bathroom or floor is a big project. You need to see the products with your own eyes to make the right choice. Welcome to Tile Depot. We are a local business with showrooms in Sheffield, Leeds and Doncaster, and we're here to help you get it right. You'll find the biggest range of tiles in Yorkshire right here. We are the home of tiles and bathrooms. We keep over 6 million tiles in stock. This means we usually have exactly what you need ready to go. Explore our showroom to find ideas and inspiration. We've got dozens of large displays so you can see exactly how the tiles look in a real room. We bring in new ranges from around the world every week. Whether you want a natural look like stone, marble or wood, or something colourful, we've got it. And plenty of exclusive ranges you won't find anywhere else. We know quality matters. Here you can feel the texture and see the finish on our taps and showers. We always offer great value on top quality products. If you need help, just ask. Our team are experts in style. We even offer a 3D design service to help you plan the perfect layout. We make sure your colours match perfectly and we support you through the whole renovation process. We're open to the public and the trade. With our huge stock levels, you can often take your tiles home the same day. Or save your energy and let our in-house team deliver the heavy stuff right to your door. Visit us today to start your project. We are Tile Depot, the home of tiles and bathrooms, experts in style.